Our biggest flight pens are like where the eagles were in this pen. There were greenhouses. They actually came from OBC Northwest, which is in Canby. So now we're going to walk in. This is our scavenger pen. So we have the turkey vultures and a crow. Oh, here we go. The sun is shining. Let's see if I can get close enough. I will try to go inside. Hopefully they'll still stay. There we are. This is Daryl with his solar panels extended. He's soaking up the sunshine. So, he's going to make sure we get a really close view because he's coming over to visit. Hi there, Daryl. Now this is Daryl with an E. And over here we have Daryl with a Y, otherwise known as Daryl and Daryl. And Daryl with an E thinks I should be Daryl number 3. But no. Hey, bud, how are you? I didn't bring you any food, but this is sometimes called a face that only a mother could love. It's a turkey vulture. These guys both came from Alabama. They were raised at a rehab center in Alabama. And turkey vultures are one of the very few birds that have a good sense of smell. So it makes it, we're doing a little preening so we can look nice. Hi. So having a good sense of smell makes it really challenging to swing around here. There we go. To raise them without having them realize that it's a human underneath that ghost costume, or that they can't see. So they're, as you can tell, they're not terribly intimidated by people. In fact, Daryl is trying to mess with me. Yeah, you be nice. So that's why they're here. And they've been here. They came in 2002, so 18 years. And last year, they would have been about 18 years old last year. They were about a year. They both laid eggs for the very first time. I don't know what was so special about last year, but they got really grumpy with each other and with us. And then they each laid 2 eggs. And then they weren't grumpy anymore. So there is a crow, but he's right in the sun, so I don't think you can. You can hear him talking to us, though, saying, "Hey, what about me?" So this is Daryl and Daryl. Now, turkey vultures are pretty interesting because of that good sense of smell. They can find, they're scavengers. They eat dead things. They can find carrion, something that's dead, in really brushy country that other vultures, like black vultures, who live in, they live in the south. We don't have them up here in Oregon. So black vultures, where the two live together, the black vultures follow the turkey vultures around because the black vultures can only see dead things lying around, and the turkey vultures can smell it. And here we have the solar panels deployed again by the other Daryl. All right.